Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm drdowranorazgylyjow and welcome to our Turkmenistan weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Turkmen President meets UAE Vice President and Deputy Prime Minister. Turkmenistan's President Serdar Berdimuhamedow met with the United Arab Emirates UAE Vice President, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Presidential Affairs Sheikh Masoud bin Zayed Al Nahyan during his visit to Turkmenistan. President Berdimuhamedow welcomed the UAE delegation and reaffirmed Turkmenistan's appreciation for the growing bilateral ties. Discussions highlighted strong diplomatic, trade, investment, energy, and logistics cooperation between the two nations. Trade volumes have been increasing, and UAE companies are actively participating in Turkmenistan's oil, gas, and infrastructure sectors. Turkmen national leader meets UAE Vice President and Deputy Prime Minister. The national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, met with the Vice President, Deputy Prime Minister, and Minister of Presidential Affairs of the United Arab Emirates, UAE, Sheikh Masoud bin Zayed Al Nahyan, at Ashgabat International Airport. The leaders also highlighted Turkmenistan's international peace initiatives, including the 2025 International Year of Peace and Trust, declared by the UN General Assembly. Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow invited UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan to the International Forum on Peace and Trust, set for 12 December 2025 in Ashgabat. Sheikh Mansour reaffirmed the UAE's support for Turkmenistan's peace-focused initiatives within the United Nations framework. Both sides expressed confidence in further strengthening bilateral cooperation and wished prosperity to their nations. Turkmen President meets with Tatarstan's leader. Turkmenistan's President Serdar Berdimuhamedow met with Rustam Minikhanov, the head of Russia's Tatarstan Republic, during his working visit to Turkmenistan. The meeting focused on strengthening bilateral cooperation in key sectors of mutual interest. President Berdimuhamedow emphasized the importance Turkmenistan places on expanding its ties with Tatarstan within the broader framework of Turkmen-Russian strategic partnership. Cultural, educational, and artistic collaboration remains a key area of Turkmen-Tatar relations. President Berdimuhamedow reaffirmed Turkmenistan's commitment to enhancing these multifaceted ties and further deepening cooperation with Tatarstan. Turkmen national leader, we highly value relations with Tatarstan. The national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, met with Rustam Minikhanov, the head of Russia's Tatarstan Republic, during his working visit to Turkmenistan. Cultural, scientific, educational, and sports collaboration remains a priority in the partnership. Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow expressed gratitude to Rustam Minikhanov for supporting Turkmen students studying at Tatarstan's universities, reaffirming Turkmenistan's readiness to expand cooperation in this field. Pezeşkian, we will expand trade relations with Turkmenistan. Iranian President Masoud Pezeşkian emphasized the vast potential for expanding trade relations between Tehran and Ashgabat. He made these remarks during a meeting with Turkmenistan's Deputy Prime Minister Hojamirat Geldimiradov, who led a delegation to Tehran for the Third Caspian Economic Forum. The Iranian leader highlighted the importance of enhancing trade, economic, and cultural cooperation, stating that both countries have significant opportunities to increase trade volumes. The Turkmen delegation expressed gratitude for the warm reception and emphasized that the Caspian Economic Forum plays a crucial role in fostering stronger regional ties. They also underscored the strategic importance of joint projects in the energy and transport sectors, reaffirming that Turkmenistan views Iran as not just a neighboring country, but a key strategic partner. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.